Hey guys, in this episode of Ansa's Cookbook, I'm going to show you the recipe of instant white sauce pasta. Let's get started. Take a saucepan, add 1 cup of pasta and 3 cups of water. Add a little bit of salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Mix it really well and boil it for 5 minutes on a high flame, and once the water gets to boil, turn the flame to medium and boil for 3 more minutes. Now turn off the flame, drain the excess water and keep this aside. Now we will prepare the white sauce. Take a pan, add 5 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of maida or plain flour. If you like the pasta with more sauce and less pasta, you can add 3 tablespoons of flour or even more. Stir fry this for 1 minute on medium flame and add 2 cups of milk in this. Keep stirring after adding the milk so that no lumps are left in this. Make sure the flame is on medium. As this starts to thicken, add 1 cup of grated cheese and give it a good mix. Now we will add a little bit of salt. Do not add too much salt as we have already added some salt while boiling the pasta. Half a tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a good mix, and once all are well combined, we will add the boiled pasta. Give this a good mix and creamy delicious white sauce pasta is ready. Give this recipe a try and do like the video if you like it. Do not forget to subscribe for interesting and easy recipes every day. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.